Alright, what is going on everybody? It's Tristan here, and today, I don't even know what I decided to title this video, but I know that I'm doing an unboxing and I'm discussing a sneaker that I'm very excited to discuss. It is a pair of SBs, and I think it is definitely one of the best SBs from this year. You may already know what I'm talking about, but here it is, and we're really going to get into it. I mean, this is the box for it, obviously not the sneaker. I'll show you all that in a second, but if you guys want more unboxing content like this, kind of, I guess, reviews, kind of different Nike sneakers, things like that, I probably titled this video something to do with the price going up in the future, because I do think that could happen with these. I think this pair is clean enough. If you give it enough time, it probably will make some decent progress, but since it is an SB, it would be kind of like a slow riser, if you know what I mean. So it really it's questionable, it's a questionable hold, but I think it would be a good one eventually. Just we have to be a little bit patient and wait until that time comes. So again, subscribe and like for more content like this. Like goal, keep it very simple. Let's just try and hit, let's say, 275 in this video. It does more than you know, so each like counts. I appreciate you guys, and yeah, that's everything I need to say. Leave your questions, comments, concerns down below, and let's get started. Alright, so of course we got the little purple SB box, and of course SB stands for skateboarding because it's Nike skateboarding. I'm pretty sure all of us know that, but aside from that basic detail, there's the tag on the sneaker as well. I got a size 9.5. Hopefully you guys can read the details up close, and it is a Dunk Low Pro. SB Dunk Low Pro, so just keep that in mind. It's a little bit different, but still your typical Dunk Low, nothing really different. Excuse me, I don't know why I'm messing up my words over and over, but let's actually get into reviewing the sneaker. So here's the kind of wrapping paper we got on it, kind of this green and white kind of pattern right here. Hopefully it'll be able to focus on that for you guys. I don't think it will, but if it does, maybe you can see that, but I don't think you can. So aside from that, let me show you all the sneakers right here that we got. So I am talking about the Nike Dunk Low Green Apple SB, also known as the Nike Dunk Low or Nike SB Dunk Low Sour Apple. Now, the reason that this one was originally called the Sour Apple, and I will show you guys why right here so you understand this, is because this on the inside of the sneaker right here, you see that little apple right there, and kind of how it has a little visible facial expression as if you were just eating something sour. So that's kind of where I got that from. And then of course right there on the tag you guys can see Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Hopefully this will focus, but I think it likes my face too much. But yeah, there you go, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. And honestly, all this hits so well on the white on the sneaker. This is the reason I think the sneaker could do well in the future. It's just because of kind of this white and green color blocking with the suede material as well. Don't forget, all this green material that you see on the sneaker is suede, so it's very good quality, and especially because SBs tend to be nicer quality. That's one thing I can admire about them compared to a normal Dunk Low. SBs always have a little bit more to give. In terms of how long they'll last you, the suede quality, everything to do with the sneaker is done better than a normal Nike Dunk Low. And you can even tell with the leather, it seems like it's actually more real, and honestly it looks nice. And you got another set of laces in here too. If you don't want to wear them with the green ones, I'd probably rock them with the green ones, but you also got a white set of laces, which is nice. So there's a lot of features on the sneaker, a couple unique details, again, like the thing I mentioned here, this is on both insides of the tongues of the sneaker. You got that sour apple right there, the normal Nike tag, and then of course this kind of green suede that matches with the green laces a bit. Now the laces are slightly brighter than the suede, you may be able to notice that, but I don't find that to be a bad thing. I find that it's perfectly normal and fine. I actually like that the swoosh, which is also a suede material, keep that in mind, there's a lot of suede in the sneaker, but keep in mind, by the way, I'm sorry, I got a little mark on the sneaker right here. Nothing I can really do about it, but I don't really care too much since I'm going to be wearing these, so it's not like, again, it's not really the end of the world. But really looking into this one again, what I was discussing a second ago is this kind of darker green and how it's suede, so just kind of understand that the Nike swoosh on both of the pairs is suede. And nothing is different about either pair. Both pairs are the same on the sneaker. I'll show you the other one just to kind of confirm that. So here we are. I'm gonna move the box right there, but here's the other pair I got right here. You can see everything is the same, even when you go right here. This might be a little bit different. Yeah, there you go. Of course that part's gonna be a little bit different. You guys can see actually right there, it doesn't say anything, but it just has the apple kind of making I don't know, that crack face. He's off that good I don't know what it is, but yeah, he's got that face of a crackhead. And then we got this one right here, just kind of sour. So aside from that and those terrible jokes, yeah, that's pretty much what I think about this SB. I love the quality on it. I think it's great. Of course, this too, kind of the green sole and with the white center right there. I love how this all hits together, because you can see how it's like green on the full sneaker, and then in the center here it's white. So green, green, white. Look at this. Green, green, white. They did the same thing on the bottom. So I love the coordination on this sneaker. I think it's killer. and I think there's a lot left on the shoe, honestly. And also, don't forget about this. I want to show you all this too, so I don't forget. Yeah, but here you go. Here are all the logos on the inside, as you guys can see, kind of on the white insole. You got some neon text, Nike SB, and a couple other things above it right there. But overall, pretty simple. You guys can see the size tag right there. This pair is actually, I bought this off somebody, but they bought the pair from Goat. So yeah, I can pretty much say it's legit. I like it, and overall, this pair isn't worn at all. Beautiful. I love how this one hits in hand. I definitely recommend this pair to everybody. And let me discuss, I guess, kind of my thoughts on why I think this one will go up, because again, I probably put that in the title of this video, so I'll mention it, kind of discuss it. But overall, these hit way better in hand. Definitely one of the best SBs from this year. I mean, the pack that they dropped, the fruit pack, you know, with the blue raspberry, cherry colorway, pineapple, Dunk High, and then of course the green apple SB Dunk Low. I think all of them are so well done. I love each one from that pack. I don't think there's a bad one from that pack. Maybe that's just me being a hype beast, but I like when Nike kind of uses different colors and variety and different colors of suede, different color materials, and they did that with this pack, which is dope. So that's kind of, I guess, one reason why I could say I think it's going to go up. But overall, I just think there's a lot. I mean, I think there's some sauce behind this. Let's be real. I think Nike did their thing here, and I think people will notice this down the line. Right now, prices are low on these, but I don't think that is going to be the case for long. Of course, these didn't drop at a bunch of places. Let's be real. I didn't see a sneakers release for this one. I didn't. So is that due down the line? I don't think so, because again, these have already dropped at skate shops in the US, plenty of locations. There's a lot of pairs out there. Market is fairly low. I don't think we'll be seeing more stock of these. We could maybe see one more drop, but I don't think that'll happen. Of course, we can never doubt it, but from what I'm saying at least, this is my pair that I bought to wear. So I'm just gonna wait a couple more months before I would ever buy pairs of this one to hold. Blue raspberry or green apple. Those are probably the only two pairs from this particular pack of SB that I would actually hold, but again, that's if you're focusing on that. If you just want this pair for the personal, again, the details are they live up in hand. So that's all I'm going to say. This is definitely a good quality Dunk Low you want in your collection. And that's of course another reason why I think it would go up too. It's just nice. It's very wearable. It's a clean colorway, kind of that summer theme. It's an SB. It's got some unique details on it. You know, like it's got a couple things that are different than a normal SB. Like it's not just kind of plain and simple. It actually has some variety to it. And it's probably one of the more hyped SB packs from this year, if not the most hyped. So kind of understanding that, there's a lot of positives on the shoe, and that's kind of why I think this one could go up more in the future. Aside from the fact, I mean, if you buy big sizes on this one, you'll definitely make some money down the line. But how fast will this one go up? I can't say, but I definitely know there's a bit of demand. And I think just, you know, once this one passes by a little bit, you know, once more pairs are sold up and kind of less people have them, they'll start making some great progress on the market. But overall, such a clean SB. I wouldn't personally invest in this one. I think there's way better sneakers coming down the line, reverse mochas, things like that. So I'm not focused on this as really a whole. Just I got it, and it's a beautiful personal pair. So I heavily recommend it to all you guys if you need a personal pair. A pair of SBs. Let's say you don't have a pair of SBs in the collection. Go look at the fruit pack and decide one. You know, get the blue raz or get these. I like this one because it's the only one from the pack that has some white on it. You know, that's kind of, you know, has that color blocking style. Like the rest of them are just all one color, and this one actually has two colors on it. Well, three actually, because it's a different kind of tint than the green here. So understanding that. A lot of things right there. So just take that into account. I literally forgot what I was saying right there, so that probably didn't make sense. Let's just head into the outro. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'll keep it very simple. 275 likes. Let's see if we can do that. Or I think that's what I said at the start. So yeah, let's try and do that. Each one counts, and I really appreciate the support that you all show. Such a dope SB. Again, if you don't have this, hey, I recommend it for you. And I'm gonna continue my outro in a sec, but my camera's about to die. So yeah, I know there's probably some background noise. I'm sorry. I'm just ending the video right now, so don't mind it. I'm Tristan. Check me out down below. Leave your questions there, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video. Always look forward to your comments and your support, as you guys always show it. So thank you for always being there for me, your boy. So that's it. I'm Tristan, and I will catch you on the next video. Hopefully. Peace.